Hey everyone, today we're taking a quick look at simapplication.com, a site that's been floating around supposedly offering government stimulus info and application help. But is it trustworthy or just another sketchy online scam? Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. So here's the deal. Simapplication.com doesn't have much of an online footprint. I couldn't find it listed on Trustpilot and the official website itself. Nowhere to be found during my research or my search. That alone raises some serious red flags. A few scam checker sites points out issues like a lack of transparency, recent domain registration, and no clear business background. Plus, there's no real contact info, which is always a sketchy sign, especially for a site dealing with something as sensitive as financial assistance. With barely any verified info, no Trustpilot reviews, and a missing official website, simapplication.com just doesn't feel safe. If you're looking for legitimate stimulus aid, stick to trusted government sites and official sources. Let me know if you've ever stumbled across this site or had any experience with it. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more no BS reviews. Stay smart and stay safe online.